We'll begin our general public comments with those that have registered to speak virtually. So first up is Christopher King.
Great afternoon. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Terrific. I just wanted to address like a communication delta that we've been having over the years, I guess, since I've started addressing the board. And it seems to me that I've been accused of attacking people and all this and that. You know, sometimes, you've said that I've attacked board member Garrett, for example, and some of your black sycophants who come before the board. They say that I'm attacking Ollie Garrett by asking simply what happened to the letter that Kevin Shelton and Ben Shelton sent her at the behest of Nate Miles. So that's not attacking anyone. That's asking what happened to a public document. That's all. So I don't get where people are saying that I'm attacking them. That's not really an apt judgment, period. And let's turn to the incoming director, Lukela. I didn't attack him either. I just asked questions that journalists ask. Okay. So I'm taking my time on vacation to address you about this because I even said last week, look, he might be responsible for starting the loan program down there. That's a positive comment. And I meant it. If that brother was responsible for that, that's a good thing. I'm just not sure. So what I did was I took the liberty, as you may know, of asking for concrete items from you. I put that in a public records request, and I was told by the public relations wonk that's working this particular file that they're now going to give me the interview notes and some of the positive accomplishments that led to his decision, to the decision to hire him as a director. That's all I want. So I'm not going to have somebody saying that I'm condemning him or any of that. I don't know the guy yet. I don't know his record yet. I'm not condemning him. I'm just asking legitimate questions, which I do as a trained professional journalist and as a citizen. Right? Do I need to recap? I edited a statewide newspaper, the Cincinnati edition of a black-owned newspaper. I wrote for the Indianapolis Star. Okay? I mean, I've freelanced all over the place for years and still do. So anyway, and in the line of journalism, when I finish this, next few days, I'm going to leave here and go over to the mainland, to Boston, and I'm going to hang out with Ann Cottonelli, another journalist that's working on the podcast that you are familiar with as well. I think she interviewed some of you for that podcast. So we're going to meet face to face with another of my journalist partners and talk about stuff that we're going to talk about. And that's all. And I just wonder, because I have your notes, Mr. Postman. I asked for your notes from the meeting, and sometimes I wonder if you're really listening to whatever I'm saying, because all I saw from the notes was your comment was just my name was in big letters, and then it says, happily suspended attorney. That was the distillate of what of what your notes were from my presentation last week. And I'm like, I talked about so much more than that. Why was that important? It's like I might as well not have even been saying anything else that I said. So yeah, those are just my observations. I mean, is it unreal? Do you think it's unfair for me to ask for those things about Director Lukela? Do you honestly feel that I'm attacking you?
Christopher, you have 30 seconds.
Thank you. Do you honestly feel that I'm attacking you for asking for those things?
You done?
No, I'm going to take my full time.
No, you won't. Okay, we're done.
Oh,
Thank
no,
you.
really? Is that how it's going to be?
No, we've told you this before, Christopher. This isn't, you talk about being a journalist. This is not a press conference. If you have questions for us, you can ask them. You
Let me
get 4
explain it
minutes
to you.
to talk.
I'm
Don't
allowed
get 4
to have a
minutes to
dramatic
sit
pause.
online.
It's called the dramatic pause. I will address you how I care to address you, as long as I don't swear at you, okay, or threaten you. I am allowed to have dramatic pause as a component of my presentation to you. Period. You know that. Goodbye.
Thank you. Next
Yeah,
person